Here's a great example of a progressive die that we developed and designed in-house. Our number one selling feature for us is the fact that we're small. We're able to respond rapidly with any changes or quick updates and orders. I am without doubt the proudest American to say that we make and have product made in the United States of America. And we are metal stamping gurus.
Portsmouth's secret is their in-house tooling for design freedom and faster turnaround.
Material thicknesses, we can handle anything from 4,000s up to 10 gauge, which is approximately 1/8 of an inch. High carbon, low carbon, titanium, high strength steels, all of that. Here's a great example of a progressive die that we developed and designed in-house. Start with the 2 holes, part stamp, trim, put the radius, put a pre-hole for the extrusion, trim the edges. This finished part that comes off at the end like this. Tooling for us is lifetime.
Get a quote now